Most people get this wrong. They think RapidCash is just another payday loan app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that RapidCash has evolved into a flexible financial tool, offering early wage access, installment payment options, and spending insights designed to help you manage money smarter. Here's how it works. RapidCash allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. This can help cover unexpected bills, emergencies, or urgent expenses without resorting to high-interest credit cards. Additionally, the app offers installment plans for eligible purchases, letting you split payments into manageable chunks with transparent fees. This can make budgeting easier and prevent surprises at the end of the month. RapidCash also provides a clear dashboard to track your advances, upcoming payments, and spending patterns. Notifications and reminders help you avoid late fees and stay on top of your repayments. The downside: overusing RapidCash can become expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up quickly, and relying on it too heavily may mask underlying financial issues. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only request advances or installments you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications on to avoid missed payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on RapidCash. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash for help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits might find the fees outweigh the benefits. In conclusion, RapidCash in 2026 is a convenient, flexible tool, but only if used responsibly. Plan your repayments, track fees, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and practical money tips to stay in control of your finances.